Hello everyone, welcome to another video announcement. We are right in the middle of Module 11 and moving on to Module 12 soon. I hope you're getting everything you need to get done in these last few weeks of the semester, and please let me know if you need help with any of that. As you know, in Module 11 we're getting our sources put together in the proper format and submitting our source format page, which would either be a works cited page or a references page by the end of Module 11. As well, we are looking at our elevator pitches, getting used to being in front of the camera, speaking, and seeing what we look and sound like, and we're going to continue that as we move into Module 12. In Module 12 we're going to actually practice job interviews, and so not only will we be in front of the camera, but we'll be asking each other questions that you feel you might need to know the answers to when you go for a job interview. So we'll be making a list of those questions, and then every person will be the interviewee and the interviewer on discussion boards in Module 12. So don't let your webcam get too cool, because we're going to be using that some more, heating it back up in Module 12, which opens tomorrow. As well, please continue working on your e-portfolio. The final version of your e-portfolio is due at the end of next module. I will allow some time for you to finish uploading final assignments or artifacts into your e-portfolio. For example, the ones you might be working on, your final reflection presentation or your final research paper or your final research project. Those can be added when they're finished. But besides that, I would like to see everything else ready and completed, and I will look at your e-portfolio by the end of next week to make sure that that's the case. So in Module 13, that is, we'll be submitting our e-portfolio. So as Module 12 opens, be thinking about that, be thinking about how to get that done, and remember, it does need to look like the MDS template. If you haven't looked at that, or if you haven't created your e-portfolio based on that template yet, you can go into our e-portfolio resources and find how to create that template, or at least look at it so you can create the similar sections in the e-portfolio that you already have. Near the end of the semester, we will also be submitting parts of our e-portfolio to Digication, and so it does need to be finished by the end of Module 13, so we can do that as well. So those are the assignments that are coming up. I hope you're right in the middle of getting your project and your paper figured out and wrapped up. We will peer review each other's rough drafts here in a couple weeks of both your project and your paper in our groups. But other than that, you should be shooting towards having that all done in the next couple weeks, so that you'll be able to submit that as a final draft in Module 15. So that's kind of a big picture look at what's coming ahead in the rest of the semester. If you have any questions, please contact me, and if I don't hear from you, I'll definitely see you online. Thanks.